is how the remote looks like. It's a very minimalistic remote, not so many buttons. That is something very common with Samsung. See, a very simple remote, very compact, strong. For the functionalities, right on top we have the power button, we have the pairing button right here. This just helps you to pair the bar to any Bluetooth device that you want to connect it with. As for their functions, we have the mute icon, we have the sound mode. We have different sound modes on this bar. This icon we have over here, the eye, it just helps you to see what's happening on the display. You see, with time when you're using the bar, the display goes off. So for you to maybe determine the input source you're using or any other thing connected to the bar, you just press on the eye and the LED display will turn on. We have the volume up button, we have the woofer control right over here. These buttons are placed in a unique manner. You don't press on them directly downwards, but you press volume up, you trigger it up like this, see, till you feel that click. So that means the volume is going upwards. And then if you press on it downwards, then that means volume down. So have a look at what's being displayed on the bar when I press on volume up, sorry. So the maximum volume we have is 100, and that's why we are there. Then if I press on it downwards like this, you see the volume reducing. And then here we have subwoofer control, definitely. If I press on it up, then we have subwoofer control. Right now it's at maximum, that is 6. Then I can turn it down to 4. Other than that, we have channel control right over here, channel level. So if I press on channel level, it's written virtual surround channel. As for these virtual or channel surround control, if you press on it, for you to control the volume levels of it, now you'll be using the up and down buttons we have right at the central part of the remote here. For example, if I press on the channel surround right there, channel surround, then I press on the up button, you see we have right, it's at the maximum. Then if I press on it down, see it's reducing, that's channel surround. Again, here we have tone control. So for tone control, if I press on it like this, we have treble, and then again we have bass. So for you to control the tone, just put it to one mode. For example, here we have the bass, and then just come and click the up one to control, see it's changing. As for treble, once again just come and change it, tone treble, then here change the function. So that is it for the remote. Right here we have some other buttons. If you've connected the bar to Bluetooth and maybe you want to skip to the next sound or backwards, just press here and it will automatically go to the next sound or video that you are watching, having connected the bar to the television or any other music device wirelessly through Bluetooth.